Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Math Unlocked, and I'm your host, Mrs. Rhodes-Grierson. Alright, so what are we doing today? In this lesson we're looking at solving equations, but we go a little bit more advanced than what we were doing before, because now in this equation the variable is on both sides. So we're looking at, this is 4x, x is on the left hand side, but x is also on the right hand side because there are two terms with x. One is on the left, one is on the right. How do we approach this question? Now, in order to solve the equation, remember from lesson 1 on solving equations, is that we need to get the variable on one side of the equation by itself. Now we have it on two separate sides. Now, it therefore means that I need to group the terms that have x with them such that they are on one side of the equation. It's not that I'm taking it up and I'm throwing it over there, but I must perform the correct operations to get it there. Now, this 2x that is on the right hand side is a positive 2x. If I want to cancel it from here, notice that I'm going to cancel it from there to get it from that side. It means I have to do the opposite operation to an addition, which is subtraction. So I'm subtracting 2x from this side, but it was an equation. That means that if I change this side of the equation, I must balance the equation to make sure it's equal, still equal. So if it's for it to remain equal, it means that on the other side, I will have to subtract 2x as well. Notice I'm subtracting like terms so that I'm putting 2x with the 4x because this term is not the same as them because it has no x on it. So these two terms will go together. 2x minus 2x would cancel each other, so there's no longer any term with x on the right hand side. So now my new equation will become, I am subtracting 2x from 4x to give me 2x. This minus 2 doesn't change because I did not do anything with this term as yet. And now what it is equal to is this side has been just reduced to the number 8. So now my equation is simpler than what it was before. Now I have a simple equation like one that we had in the previous lesson. So now I need to get x by itself. I have gotten x on one side. The next step now is to get x by itself. This 2 was increasing the value of this was reducing the value of 2x by 2. In order to remove 2 from here and know what 2x is by itself is to add 2 to this side. And remember that the opposite operation cancels it. But since it's an equation, I need to do the same thing to the other side by adding 2, keeping the balance, maintain balance at all times. So this cancels that. What does it leave us with on the left? We're left with 2x. What is now on the right? We're now left with 10. I'm still not yet through because I don't have x yet by itself to say what is x. This is saying what is 2x or 2 times the value of x. We're going to remove the 2 by the division because the opposite of multiplication is division. Remember it was an equation. So if I divide this side by 2, I must go over that side and divide it by 2 to maintain equality. That gone. What's left? X is now equal to the number 5. And please to note that you could just do a double check to make sure that your answer x is correct. How do I do that? I would say, what if x is 5? What if x is 5? It means 4 times 5 would have been 20 minus 2. It means 2 times 5 would have been 10 plus 8. Are the two sides equal? Is 20 minus 2 equal to 10 plus 8? 20 minus 2 is 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. It therefore means that I can confirm that x has a value of 5. Of course, I will never leave you without giving you one to test yourselves so that we can check. Did you learn something? What if you are given the equation 5y plus 1 is equal to 7 minus 2y? How would you solve that equation? Solve the equation and leave your answer in the comment. What is the value of y? Let us do this together.